What a bloodbath. Well, it's finally happened. The big drop since March. Today is one of those days where you really shouldn't be looking at your portfolio because it's going to be bad. Almost every major stock is in the red today, and I mean majorly red. If you look at all three indexes today, this is coming off the low. So Nasdaq at some point was down 5.5%. Incredible. What a day. Now, if you remember, I had a position yesterday on Fastly. So I sold the 83.5 puts yesterday for 80 cents, which is $80 premium. If you look at Fastly today, it's just dropped. It dropped 10% today, over 10%. So it went from 90 bucks to all the way to 80 bucks at the lowest. So I'm on the hook for this this option here. So if Fastly don't close by 83.5 or above tomorrow, I'm going to be responsible for this option. I'll probably get assigned and then I'll be forced to buy Fastly at 83.5. My mistake was that I didn't cut my loss when it was down 40 bucks. So now it's down 218 bucks. And I don't have any plans to roll this or to close this. I'm just going to take the assignments, and I'll tell you why. Now, my Beyond Meat order, somehow Beyond Meat is up today, but it sort of went break even in the end. But it was up huge earlier in the day. So I just let it ride. So 119 is probably going to close in the money by tomorrow. So I'll pocket a $60 profit. Now, what else did I do today? I decided to buy Apple shares. So 5 shares at 122.88. The reason is that I remember in the beginning of this documentary, this series, I said that all the profit that I make, I'm going to reinvest it back into stock market. So at first I was going to buy realty income like the REITs, but I figured, you know what, Apple has split and now it's a good time to pick up some of these shares because you can never go wrong with Apple. So that's why I bought 5 shares at 122.88. Not the bottom, but over time I plan to keep averaging this down and keep on increasing my position of Apple. Currently the Apple, so I have a new field here called investable fund. What this is whatever my total profit is minus this, the total cost of this. So whatever, if 466 minus about $600 here. So that leaves me in $148 in the hole in the investable fund. So I have to keep on making money if I want to buy more Apple and keep this in a positive so I have more bullets to fire to buy more shares. So that's what this is. Now, what else did I do? I went ahead and sold a put for Apple for expiring tomorrow, 117.5. This is a pretty risky play, and I bought it at 52 cents premium. And as you can see, Apple has dropped down since, and it's gone to, I'm down like 45 bucks on it. But if you look at the theta on this, it's 0.95 theta. So if Apple doesn't do anything or go up tomorrow or stay like sideways tomorrow, this will be pretty much in the money and I'll pocket a full premium. So that's why I did it, and it's a gamble, but here's my game plan. The market has seen a big drop recently, and to me this is a signal for the market to drop out. So if you look at this chart here, it's really ugly. Apple still has quite a bit way to go before it can bounce back up. So I say like around 114 area, it should be a good place to back up. The reason I bought this put here is because I want to take advantage of this downwards movement on Apple or other stocks, or Fastly for example. I want to take the assignments because I want to sell covered call on this. When the market is weak, you want us to do covered calls. So I'm not worried that I'll get assigned these stocks because these are good companies and I know they'll be up in the long term. And right now I can get in at a pretty good price of 80s for Fastly and low hundreds for Apple. So my plan is to sell cover calls if I get assigned on both of these, because the premiums on these, you should take a look. So if I had an option that expires next week, if I sell a cover call, let's say at the price I was, you know, I was exercise at. So for Apple, it's 117.5. So if I sell the cover call for this at the same price that I'm over here, I can actually get a really juicy premium of $5.85. That's $585. Same thing with Fastly. So let's say I got exercise on Fastly for 83.5. So if I can sell a cover call for next week, 83.5, I get to pocket $420 of premium. So that's really good. So if Fastly don't rise above 83.5, I get to pocket this whole juicy premium right there. So to me, this is a great play, and I want to take the assignment so I can get opportunities to pocket in these extremely nice premiums. So that's the plan I wanna have right now. So the big tip for you is to try to understand the market condition and what do you think was gonna happen. And then when you sell a cash secured put, if you are going to, you should have a plan. Whether you should take the assignment when you want to roll it forward, or you just want to close it out and take a loss. So for me, I want to take the assignments and then see what the market is going to do. To me, this big drop here, it's the signal of the next big drop. So the market is weak right now, so I want to sell cover call on that weakness. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys learned something from my strategy going forward. And I can't wait to see what's going to happen next. So see you guys next time. Make sure to like and subscribe my video.